just think you should spend more time with her.
Me? What would I do with her?
Dad,
Yeah?
never mind. Night. You like pizza? It's okay. That's Declan.
Oh, you are in so much trouble. Nana, she needs this.
You think I don't want to give her something special?
Yeah, it's me. I know what I said. My best dog's gone missing. Dog couldn't gotten that far.
Hey, hey. Now that dog don't belong to you.
I'm sorry. Please don't give up.
Duke came to us. We'll take care of him. I promise.
What are you wearing?
Stealthy clothes.
I like your style.